my name's Paul Harris. I'm the General Manager of Sales and Marketing for TransDiesel. Today we're here at the Jury Quarry owned by Stevenson's for the Auckland leg of the Volvo Ocean Race. Today we've got a range of customers coming in from New Zealand and Australia, and our principals from Volvo coming in from Singapore to experience what our Volvo construction equipment can do for our customers. On display today we have the Volvo A60H, which is the largest articulated hauler in the world. We have our newly released EC950 excavator and our newly released L260 wheel loader.
Alright, hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from Sweden and I'm a global hostess working for the Volvo Ocean Race. We're here in the race village down in Auckland, New Zealand. And the Volvo Ocean Race is one of the toughest sailing competitions in the world. It actually goes on for 9 months, which makes it to the marathon of sailing. So we have 7 teams competing all around the world, and today they are going to go out for an import race just in a couple of hours. So that's why we have a lot of people here at the moment. But we can offer other things like the race boat experience, where you can see one of the boats cut in half actually. We have product decks from Volvo, the race heart soul of the race, I call it. And down the road we have the sailors' terrace, where you can watch all the boats out on the water. And this is exciting because it combines people with racing and companies. The sailors that are on these boats, they are amazing. What they do is unlike anything else. They go into the Southern Ocean twice, for example, known as the toughest ocean on the planet. And it's going to be a lovely day. It's already packed with people and we can't wait for it to continue. Welcome!